get you some of those highlights of what played out in the Rajya Sabha. As expected, the India Alliance came together to oppose this bill, calling it anti-democratic and stating that this bill essentially undermines the power of the Delhi Chief Minister. The opposition said that the bill has been tabled by the centre and it's against the basic structure of our constitution. Now, as far as the BJP is concerned, they've, of course, continued to defend the bill completely. You had Sudhanshu Trivedi speaking for the BJP, saying that no rule of constitution has been broken and that the legality of the bill is 100% valid. We've seen some very, very interesting arguments being put forth in the Rajya Sabha because some of your biggest legal stalwarts are also there. Mahesh Jethmalani has spoken. The former CJI, Ranjan Gogoi, has also spoken on this particular bill. Let's play out some of those highlights for you.
This bill is completely unconstitutional. It is fundamentally anti-democratic. It is a frontal assault on the regional voice and aspirations of the people of Delhi. It violates all principles of federalism, all norms of civil service accountability, all models of assembly-based democracy.
गुजरात में कांग्रेस का वोट हाफ कर दिया, पंजाब में इनका स्विच ऑफ कर दिया, दिल्ली में साफ कर दिया और आपने इनको माफ कर दिया। और उसके माफी के बाद भी मुझे लगता है अभिषेक मनु सिंघवी जी ने कहा था, तो मैं भी ये कहना चाहता हूं, आप साथ में आए हैं दिल्ली के इस बिल पे, दिल्ली की जनता के लिए आए हैं या किसी और कारण से आए हैं, ये दिल्ली की समझदार जनता समझती है। तो मैं भी एक पंक्ति कहना चाहूंगा कि शाम तक सुबह की नजरों से उतर जाते हैं, इतने समझौतों पे जीते हैं कि जमीर भी मर जाते हैं।
सर, मैं अपने वक्तव्य को 3 भाग में बांटता हूं। पहला कि ये बिल कैसे एक राजनीतिक धोखा है, पॉलिटिकल फ्रॉड है। दूसरा, ये कैसे एक संवैधानिक पाप है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल सिन है। और तीसरा कि ये एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव लॉकजैम। संविधान ये कहता है, और वाईवी चंद्रचूड़ साहब का AK रॉय वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया एक बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण लैंडमार्क जजमेंट है, जिसने कहा कि ऑर्डिनेंसेस सिर्फ आपातकालीन और विषम परिस्थितियों में लाए जाएंगे। ऐसी कौन सी आपातकालीन और विषम परिस्थितियां आ गई कि आपको सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले को 8 दिन के भीतर बदलना पड़ गया?
If this bill is passed, the Aam Aadmi Party, that is the official name, I have no hesitation to say that it is absolutely anarchy party, AAP. Tanashahi party, that is what they are doing now. Tanashahi party. Anarchy party.
So BJP is in favor of this bill because it supports the constitutional standpoint of this bill and the Parliament's power to enact legislations and the Parliament's legislative competence to such matters.
What I do not understand is the half-hearted support extended by two of my learned friends representing the BJD and the YRCP. They know that this is unconstitutional. I think the law ministry knows it is unconstitutional.
But the respective parties who are chiefly concerned with this change are Congress and the BJP. Is that the Congress who never had any problem with this issue about control of services, has now, like a batsman who has lost form and hasn't scored a half century for 10 years, is now seeking an alliance so that it can inch towards its first 50. The AAP is like a cricket team whose captain has been caught ball tampering. A vigilance report exists, and suddenly they want to become vigilant about the vigilance report. The BJP's present government is the third umpire. We want to stop this nefarious practice. A convention, a wholesome convention for better administration and for effective administration of the Union Territory of Delhi by the Union government now needs to be made into law, lest people subvert the services and hide their corruption. I wholeheartedly and with all the vigor at my command support this. Thank you, Chairman.
What is pending before the Supreme Court is the validity of the ordinance and specifically 2 questions referred to the Constitution bench. That has nothing to do with what is being debated in the House.